Welcome to our channel, kids. My name is Elsa, and what do we have today? We have Play-doh plasticine again. We love Play-doh. And we have our magic microwave oven. Let's see what we can do with this today. Now, we're used to being surprised, aren't we, by Play-doh? So what we're going to do now is put some yellow Play-doh in our magic microwave oven. And let's not forget to put a Minion. We love the Minions. Do you kids know the name of the Minion with one eye? His name begins with an S. It's Stuart. What we're going to do is put Stuart into this Play-doh. Just like this. The Minions, a movie, a spin-off from the Despicable Me franchise. Now we open our microwave, the magic oven. We put the Play-doh can inside with the Minion called Stuart. We start the microwave. We wait a little bit, not too long. And look! What do we have here? Let's see what we have here. Open the microwave, take the egg out. Open the egg. Here we have Stuart again. Stuart inside the egg and no plasticine. It's magic. But this Stuart is bigger, isn't he? Look at this Stuart with a Superman uniform on. Look! With a red cape. Now, wasn't that magic, kids? That was pure magic. He's flying, isn't he? Stuart, the Superman guy. Okay, now let's take another Play-doh can. This time it's blue plasticine. Lovely, royal blue, lovely blue. Let's make a ball. Or rather, flatten it out. And let's take Kevin! This is Kevin, the Minion. Let's take Kevin. A little figure of Kevin, the Minion. Let's put Kevin inside this blue Play-doh. That's it. See, like this. Let's put him back in the can. And we know what to do next. Close, start, zap. Here, there, the magic again. Light effects, sound effects. This microwave has it all. Let's take this egg. Let's open the egg. Oh, this is a different Minion, isn't it? You see how the microwave magic changes them? This is a different Minion than Kevin. And it's so much bigger. These are small yellow rascals, these Minions. Okay, let's go on now. Take another can of Play-doh. Take the plasticine out. Do the same thing we've done before. This time it's yellow. Oh, look at this minion. This one's really exciting, isn't he? Spooky, spooky. One-eyed minion again. Okay, we know what to do. Magic. Wow, look how the minion has changed. He's bigger, he's spookier. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Now I'm excited to see who's next. Are you? Okay, let's take this one out. Again, yellow Play-doh, nice yellow color. I think this may be Bob. Could this be Bob with a mask on? All of them look alike, don't you think? Except, of course, for Stuart, who's got one eye. Okay, let's put the Bob alike in this plasticine like this, like we've done before. Put it back in the can, close the can, open the microwave, turn it on, zap for a couple of seconds. Now, let's see which Avenger hero. Ah, you see what happens. You see the magic that this oven does. It turns minions into Avenger heroes. This is an Elvis look-alike, isn't it? How many of you have seen Avengers? Well, if you haven't, you better go now. Okay, the next one. I'm excited again. The next one. Wait, we have, how many have we done? 4. Okay, now we open, we take out the plasticine. We put a minion in. This is Stuart again? Yes, because Stuart will be transformed into an Avenger hero soon. Okay, wrap him up in the plasticine, put him back, close the tin, inside, start, zap. There we go. Open. Let's see. Oh, this is very interesting. Do you know who this is? No? Well, because you didn't watch the film, did you? Oh, this one is a nasty piece of work, he is. Look how interesting he is. What magic of transformation. Okay, this blue Play-doh, nice blue color. We always say that this is a nice blue color because it is. It's called royal blue. Flatten it out. Let's take another Minion. This one is probably Kevin in a mask and a uniform. Wrap him up. We know the routine. We know what to do. Inside. Open. That's it. A couple of seconds. Watch the magic happen. These are truly surprises, aren't they? Okay, let's see now. It was Kevin before, and now it's Stuart as Spider-Man. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, do we have time for some more, do you think? Perhaps not. Let's put them all in a row. Now, this was really interesting, I thought. We've got Elvis, we've got... No, that's not Elvis, that's a werewolf. We have Batman, we have Superman. Oh, we've got a lot of things here. But that's it for today. Subscribe to our channel. Any suggestions or comments are more than welcome. And we will see you very, very soon.